You're welcome to Primary 2 online class. With you here is Instructor Dorcas. On mathematics today, we are going to be talking about fraction. Say it again. Fraction. Not just fraction, we are looking at half of a given collection. Half of a given collection. What do you understand by the word fraction? Fraction means part of a whole that has been divided. Part of a whole that has been divided. With me is a fruit called tangerine. This tangerine is a whole. Why? Because it has not been what? Shared. At the time I start to split the tangerine into two equal parts, just the way I'm doing it now, this become a part and this is another word, part. So we'll call part of it a word fraction. This is also what? Part of the whole tangerine, which is also a word fraction. We have different kinds of fraction. We have what we call 1/2. Say it again. 1/2 or half. 1/2 or half. 1/2 is written as 1/2. We also have what we call 1/4. Call it again. 1/4. 1/4 is 1/4. Again, we have 3/4. Call it again. 3/4. 3/4 is written as 3/4. Here, we are going to be making emphasis on 1/2 of a given collection. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to share any object into two equal halves. 1/2 is when an item is divided into two equal parts. One part of it is called 1/2. Is that taking, children? One part of it is called 1/2. Just the way I share this tangerine into two equal parts. Part of it like this is called 1/2, and the other part is called 1/2. Sometimes in our home, mommy decides to share just one orange for two children. You cannot start sucking and give to the other person. You rather want to share the orange into two equal parts. When you get a knife and share the orange or divide the orange into two equal parts, one part of it becomes half or 1/2. If we go further, we are going to be looking at 1/2 of 6 oranges. Let's look at example number 1. Find 1/2 of 6 oranges. What this means is this. You are dividing the 6 oranges into two equal parts. Let's say, for instance, we have two children sharing 6 oranges. You are going to share the 6 oranges into two equal parts in such a way that each of the child takes equal orange. Now let's look at the board. For instance, let me make this illustration using this. These are children. These are the children sharing the oranges. Remember, we have six orange. Let's say this is Olu and this is Blessing. Blessing takes one orange. Olu takes one. Blessing takes another. Olu takes another. Blessing takes another. Olu takes another, until when you exhaust the 6 oranges. Now, children, how many oranges did each of the children take? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Each child takes 3 oranges. That means half of 6 oranges gives 3. Is that taking, children? Let's look at example number 2. Find half of 2 pencils. Half of 2 pencils. Let's take, for instance, you're in the class and a teacher or your teacher decide to share 2 pencils for 2 children. What do you think each child will take? Just tell me, think it within yourself. I have 2 pencils and I want to share for 2 children. What will each child take? You can decide to also draw strokes and share the 2 oranges between the 2 children, or still make something like this and share the 2 oranges for the 2 children. Example number 2, find half of 2 pencils. What this means is this: you are sharing 2 pencils for 2 children. Here with me are 2 pencils. Let's assume I want to share these pencils for Ola and Olu. Ola takes 1 pencil and Olu takes the other pencil. How many pencils did each child take? What did you get? Each child took 1 pencil. Am I correct? 1/2 of 2 objects, or 1/2 of 2 gives you 1. Is that taking, children? That will bring us to the end of this class. If you have any question, please send it to the WhatsApp platform. And there you'll find your assignments. Do them and submit them to me. Thank you.